Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to change your domain name on Shopify in 2025. Whether you want to switch to a new myshopify.com domain, add a custom domain, or connect one you already own, you'll learn how to do it step by step. And by the end, your Shopify store will have that fresh, professional web address you've been looking for. Let's jump right into the tutorial. So you want to change your Shopify domain name. Maybe your business has grown, your brand has evolved, or you just want something that's easier for customers to remember. Whatever your reason, it's a smart move to make your store's web address reflect your vision. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner and find the Settings tab. It's your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes controls. Click on Settings, then find and click on the Domains section. This is where all your domain management happens. Inside the Domain section, you'll see a list of all the domains currently connected to your store. This area can look a little intimidating at first glance with options for primary domains, redirects, and more, but don't worry. We're going to focus on just what you need. If your goal is to change your store's default myshopify.com domain, look for an option that says Change to a new myshopify.com domain. Clicking this is like telling Shopify, I'd like a fresh start for my store's address. You'll be prompted to enter your new desired domain name. Take your time here. Think about your brand, what's easy to spell and remember, and whether the name fits your business. For example, instead of Best Shoes 2020-21 myshopify.com, maybe now it's just Elite Footwear, myshopify.com. Remember, this name is going to show up everywhere your store is linked or shared. So pick something you're proud of, type it in, double check for any typos, and click Add Domain. That's it. Your myshopify.com address has changed. It might take a few moments for everything to update, so don't worry if the new name doesn't show up instantly. But let's say you want to use a custom domain instead of myshopify.com, something like yourbrand.com. Shopify makes this really straightforward too. In the same domain section, you'll see the option to add a new domain, which lets you buy one directly from Shopify if you don't already have one. If you decide to purchase a domain through Shopify, the platform guides you through the process. Just look for the Buy Domain button, and Shopify will help you search for available names, walk you through purchase, and add it to your store automatically. It's a seamless way for beginners and even pros to lock down a professional web presence. But maybe you already own a domain from an external provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. No problem. Shopify lets you connect your existing domain, so you're not limited to just what's available inside Shopify. Click on Connect Existing Domain, enter your domain, and follow the prompts. There might be a few extra steps, like updating DNS settings with your domain provider, so don't panic if it asks you to do this. Shopify provides clear instructions, but if you need help, reach out to your domain provider's support or drop a comment below. I'm here to help. So that's how you change your domain name on Shopify. Whether you're updating your myshopify.com address, buying a new custom domain, or connecting one you've previously purchased elsewhere, the process is straightforward and puts you in control of your brand's online identity. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into any issues. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot. For more Shopify tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store's new name.